friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode we are going to cook a very simple and easy recipe all the way from the states of Odisha in West Bengal. Well, I'm going to cook Aru Jonhi Posto, which is basically rich gourd and potatoes which are cooked in poppy seeds paste. Well, this recipe requires very less ingredients, so without further delay, let's get started.
We'll first soak the poppy seeds and cumin seeds together overnight or for at least 4 to 5 hours. Let's look at the main ingredients. We would need a tablespoon of nigella seeds, 2 whole raw potatoes and 1 whole ridge gourd. The rest of the ingredients I'll be sharing as and when we start cooking. Now that the seeds have been soaking overnight, it's time to grind them into a smooth paste. Put the contents into a small jar or a coffee grinder and grind it. If you need water in between, please be free to add a little bit of water and grind it into a very smooth paste. The taste of the poppy seeds enhances only when it's ground into a fine paste. Now let's start chopping the vegetables. Cut the potatoes into 1-inch cubes and keep them aside. Peel the ridge gourd and cut it into 1.5 inch of thickness. The ridge gourds need to be bigger in size because they take very less time to cook, while the potatoes they take a little longer time to cook. Continue cutting the rest of the ridge gourd and keep it in a bowl. You can very clearly see the difference of the sizes of the ridge gourd and the cubes of the potato. Now let's get cooking. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil into it. Once the oil heats up, keep it in medium flame and add 1 slit green chili and 1 tablespoon of nigella seeds. Wait until the seeds stop dancing and add the potatoes and the ridge gourd into it. Mix it all together and keep it covered for just 2 minutes. Take the cover out. You would see that there's a lot of water because ridge gourd releases a lot of water, and that's the reason we do not have to add any extra water. Now add a tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar and some turmeric powder. Give it all a good mix and keep it covered for another 3 to 4 minutes. This is the time when you would see that the water has helped the potatoes and the ridge gourd to cook properly. Take out the cover and add the poppy seeds paste into it and mix it properly. You don't have to cover it further because the potatoes and the ridge gourd have cooked well. Well, the ridge gourd doesn't take much time, but you should see that the potatoes are cooked well. They need not be mushy at all, otherwise the entire taste goes for a toss. Now you can add some chili powder. It's up to you. If you want to add, you can, otherwise you can totally omit it. Just before switching off the flame, sprinkle some chopped cilantro onto it. Take it out in a serving dish and serve it with roti, fulka, chapati or even with rice and dal.
Thank you so much friends for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you'll soon try making this at home. Do let me know how did it turn out in the comment section below. I would love to read them all. And as I always say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I shall meet you in a few weeks from now. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe.